Hola amigos! Today we're going to look at our yellow notes. So if you don't already have these out, make sure you get them out. We're going to be looking at the second page. Okay, ready? We already know how to conjugate AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs. We chop off the ending and we add the ending that matches the subject. And we are also already really good at that. So verbs always belong in different families. Is it in the AR verb family? Is it in the ER verb family? Is it in the IR verb family? But you can belong in more than one family. For example, I'm Caitlin Bromwich Crystal. I belong in two different families. Verbs often belong in two or more families. Today we're going to learn about a new family of verbs. And that family of verbs is called yo-go verbs. So you look at that, yo-go. No, I'm not talking about go-gurt, okay? Yo-go verbs. Why are they called yo-go verbs? Get this. Because in the yo form, they end with go. Okay, it's called a yo-go verb because in the yo form, it ends with the two letters G-O. Do you already know a yo-go verb? Patiently waiting, patiently waiting, patiently waiting. Yes, you do already know a yo-go verb. Don't you know the verb tener? Have you ever wondered why tener's yo form has a G in it? Look at the other forms. Do the other forms have a G in it? No. Tener is in the yo-go family. So in the yo form, it ends with go. Now think about what I told you earlier. Tener is also in the ER verb endings family. Ooh. Oh, wow. Look at those ER verb endings. It can belong in more than one family. It also is in the stem changing family. But we're not going to learn about that family until November. So let's just back up there. Okay. You ready? You've got your notes here? Let's start learning new verbs. Here is a new verb, poner. Okay, poner means to put or to set or to place. Okay, now check it out. Yo pongo. Do you see a G in any of the other forms? No, it's in the yo-go family and it's also in the ER verbs family. Okay, so right now take your writing utensil and draw some kind of marker. Like, look, it's a yo-go. Something special is happening here. You want to put a star? Cool, put a star. But that's the special form. All the rest are normal. Pones, pone, ponemos, ponen. Okay, got it? All right, verb number 2. Traer is to bring. Look at the yo form. Is it a yo-go verb? Yo traigo. Look at the G. Is there a G anywhere else? No. So let's do a marker right here. Arrow, star, smiley face, whatever, okay? Make sure that it is obvious to you on your notes that it's a yo-go verb. The rest, traes, trae, traemos, traen, are just normal ER verb endings. You can do this. You just got to remember it's a yo-go, and then the rest are normal. Okay, dos más. Salir means to leave or to go out. Okay, to leave or to go out. Like leave a room or to go out with friends. Check this out. Yo salgo. That is the only form with a G in it because it's a yo-go verb. The rest of the forms, it's in the IR verbs family. Sales, sale. I know it looks like sail, but it's not. Sale, salimos, salen. All right, again, make sure you put something special around the yo form. Okay, the last verb we're learning is a top 10 Spanish verb because it's super duper ooper important and it's used all the time. Hacer means to do or to make, okay? What do you want to do after school? I want to make a pizza. Both of those would be hacer. Check out yo hago. And then the rest of the forms are just normal ER verb endings. Hace, hacemos, got ahead of myself, and hacen. Okay. All right. So, have we put circles on our notes around the yo-go verbs? Check. All right, then let's make sure we learned what we needed to learn in this notes video. Mission accomplished, question mark. Maybe we could take away the question mark. Do you know how to define a yo-go verb? What if I said, what's a yo-go? Would you be able to say, in the yo form, it ends with go? If you can do that, then yup, that mission is accomplished. Do you understand that a yo-go verb can also belong to other verb families? Like, for example, hacer is in the yo-go family and the ER verb family. You got that one? Okay, check. Do you have yo-go verbs on your yellow notes, and can you use them to practice? Yup. Okay, so then I think we get to do this. Yay! Okay, thanks for watching these notes about yo-go verbs.